Well, Andy here, we got your 427 small block Ford on the dyno. Obviously, it's kind of somewhat of a rebuild. Give you descriptions, combinations. Got our new cylinder head on it. Vic Jr, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got your front end on it. Your all-pan custom grind hydraulic roller. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, Andy, 3,600, 479 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 543, peak horsepower 570, rated 575, front end's about 10 or 15, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'll show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got the engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It also will have some specifications and it'll have the engine number. If you need anything from us, that number is the easiest way for us to look up information. Have a great day.